Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you 4x sleeping mat. This is good for camping. Oh yeah, these are mattresses with air mattress. So you can go to the beach with that. So you can go to camping. So you can use it anywhere you like. Of course, you can use it as an extra bed for visitors or something else. It is a mattress with 9.5 centimeter thickened, 200 to 69 centimeter in diameter. Makes a good job for you. This is an Ultralight Air Cell Mat, which is inflatable mattress for outdoor because it's waterproof. It's good for the camping, for sleeping, for beach, for tent, for hiking. And it's on the market in blue or in green. And the best thing, you can connect them together. The maximum comfort of this camping air mattress are really good because the ultralight sleeping mat is inflated 200 to 68 to 9.5 centimeter. The 9.5 centimeter thick construction of this inflatable sleeping mat provides a stable support even on uneven stony surfaces. Innovative pumpkin-shaped air chambers and integrated pillow relieves the back and the neck. This fits every sleeping position and ensures a restful sleep everywhere. And outdoor quality materials of this for all weathers. Because this sturdy inflatable mattress is made of 50D polyester spong and multi-layer TPU. Tear-resistant, soft, silent and fully waterproof. The maximum load capacity goes up to 200 kilograms. Heat-sealed seam guarantees tightness, either for rocky terrain or on the beach. Simply clean it with a towel. Resistant to all outer conditions. And only 1 kilogram light. The waterproof beach mat is inflated 200 to 69 to 9.5 and packed only 30 to 10 centimeter. Including practical carrying bag. It takes up little storage space and it's easy to transport. That's perfect for camping, hiking, sports activities, garden parties, or as an additional lying area at home. And fast inflatable, because you will get 1.5 minutes or something else. No extra pump is needed for this. Integrated foot pump complemented fills the inflatable sleeping mat in 2 up to 3 minutes. Double wall reliable prevent air loss and allows a light fast drain. Easy assembly and disassembly without wasting time for our outdoor adventures. And this is flexible because practical connection buttons on both sides of this camping mat allows us to effortlessly put several mats together to form a double bar bed, for example. That's either for camping with families and friends. We connect the air mattresses before inflating. This is a good tip, of course. But inflating and the connecting is possible if it is pumped, of course, too, as you can see. This is the 4x sleeping mat. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.